Have some water before I start. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to another video. This week's video, I'm going to talk about a wonderful company called Peekaboo Chic. If you're not familiar with them, they are a company that focus on modest clothing that you would wear under dresses or shirts or whatever the case is. So let's say that you have a shirt that's too low cut. They have top extenders that you could put underneath so that you can be a little bit more modest. They also have slips that extend, so if you have a dress that's way too short or you just don't feel very comfortable with the length, you can still wear it and just purchase one of these slips and it will kind of make it seem like your dress is longer. Or even if you're having a hard time finding modest clothing, this is also a really good alternative to that. So Peekaboo Chic sent me over 3 things. One of them being this little headband, which I absolutely love. They have other stuff as well, like accessories, just like this headband. And they have a couple that are floral, but I really like this solid. Now, the next 2 things that I wanted to share with you are the slips. So I got a black one and I got a kind of like off-white color slip, and I really like these because they could also double as like a tank top. So this black one here, as you can see, it has some lace detailing. It's very beautiful, and then on the bottom it also has lace as well. If you were to wear a skirt that's way too short, this would disguise it into making it look like it's longer. The next one is the same thing, just in white. It has this beautiful lace embroidery at the top, and then on the bottom this is really pretty lace as well. So those were the things that I really wanted to share with you guys of what I got. If you'd like to check them out, I'm going to leave their Instagram and website somewhere here along the screen. And they were so nice to send me a discount code, and this discount code is going to get you 10% off whatever you want in the store, Priscilla10. I'm going to leave it somewhere around here. And this discount code is going to be available for 2 weeks. So that was it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was very quick, but really wanted to share with you a website who is helping women who are struggling to find modest clothing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.